From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, warmer temperatures in the forecast over the next couple of days, but it does get unsettled with rain chances on the way Wednesday, mainly Wednesday night into Thursday. We'll talk more about that in just a bit, but you can see 73 the high today. That's a few degrees below normal for sure. Morning start in the mid 50s, but we'll be trending back to near normal tomorrow and a little bit above that as we work our way through the week. So let's take a look at what's happened so far during the course of the month of April. And looking at April, you know, after such a mild winter, we've actually had a relatively cool latter part of March into portions of April, but we started the month out at 90 degrees. That's been our only 90-degree day so far, but more blue days than red days, meaning that we've seen temperatures below normal more so than above normal. Rainfall-wise, we're doing very well for the month, over 6 inches of rain so far, and we'll probably add a few more to these dates as we round out the end of the month. So let's take a look at the big picture as we look at the satellite imagery. We've got a wavy jet stream here, and that makes for a little bit of an unsettled pattern. That's what we're going to see in the days ahead. We have one disturbance here. That looks to be our Wednesday, Thursday disturbance. Another one a little bit farther to the east, producing some showers across Texas up through Oklahoma. Snow, more snow, and winter storm warnings in around the Denver area into the Rockies. And then we get farther to the east, mostly shower activity and storms winding down across Florida. For us, it's been relatively quiet. We're under the influence of weak high pressure off to the northeast of us, and that allowed for some cloud cover today and generally an east-northeasterly flow of weather, at least lower clouds, higher clouds streaming from the west to the east. Power Doppler 3, Acadiana's Doppler radar, all is clear this evening, but that should change gradually in the days ahead. Might see a sprinkle tomorrow, but rain chance no higher than about 10%. I do expect a little bit more sun tomorrow, so we'll see upper 70s to lower 80s. Comfortable humidity, so pretty nice day. Clouds on the increase as we head into Wednesday. A few spotty showers perhaps in the morning and then into the afternoon hours. More on a scattered basis, so we're not going to go too high on the rain chances. 30, perhaps 40% for Wednesday. Then going into Wednesday night, Thursday, I think we're going to see a pretty good chance of rain and storms. The computer model grabbing onto a mesoconvective complex, but as it goes eastward, the model drops it. But we think we're going to see more active weather going into Thursday. So we'll look at the more trustworthy Euro model for the long range, and we'll see those spotty showers Wednesday. Here comes that weather system going into Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon. So it moves through pretty quickly and hopefully will be good for Festival International. There's going to be another upper level disturbance and may generate a few showers into the evening, but we'll see how that plays out. We're not too high on the rain chances there. Friday looks to be a winner of a day, and then we might see a few showers going into Saturday with another upper level low and weak front, but it's going to be moisture starved after that weather system moves on through on Thursday. So we'll see how this plays out, but we have some low-end rain chances for Saturday, Sunday looking just fine. Overall, not a bad looking weekend forecast any way you slice it. So overnight tonight, we'll see readings getting down into the middle 50s for most areas, so another cool one. It's good news for the air conditioner. Then we warm up nicely into the upper 70s to lower 80s for tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow night, back down into the low to mid 60s, so not quite as cool. And going into Wednesday afternoon, we'll see temperatures rising back into the lower 80s for sure, with that risk of a few showers. So overnight tonight, seasonably cool, fair to partly cloudy skies overall. 56 is your overnight low. This sun should change to, yeah, there you go, changing to just a few clouds and some stars out there, and that crescent moon already setting. Hopefully you got to see Venus out there as well. Then Venus was below the moon, nice and bright in that western sky, will be for weeks ahead. 80 the high for tomorrow. Rain chance slight overall. You can see those clouds coming in from the east-southeast and the high clouds moving in from the west to the east. So a mixture of clouds and sun tomorrow. There's the rain chances on Wednesday. Not a washout. Thursday we'll keep an eye on. Wednesday night, Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon could see a pretty good chance of showers and storms. Friday looking okay again. I got 30% on Saturday. We're kind of on the fence with that, but overall not a bad looking forecast, and temperatures back into the lower 80s as we head into next weekend. But overall, as Festival Internationals go, this is going to be one of the cooler ones that we see compared to previous years where we were pushing 90 degrees last year. Well, it was upper 80s, but when you're outdoors in that sun,
for that long.
Yeah, it feels a lot hotter out there.
Definitely
and you get hydrated. Strangely, you get more dehydrated in that sun, but there's probably other things involved as well.
you know, a little of this
Yeah,
and a little of
we'll
that. Thank you, Rob.